2019 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, rear window wiper, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.